How to generate a payment in Makapay and receive ARSE as payment. We open our Makapay dashboard and go to the Payments tab. We are going to create a unique payment link. We enter the address where we will receive the payment. For this example, we select the Polygon network, the ARSE token, and generate a payment link for 500 ARSE. We generate our payment link. The customer will see this window where they must deposit 500 ARSE to this wallet. Once the customer has sent the payment, they will see a screen indicating that the payment was received successfully and that the order is being processed. For the merchant, at the bottom, under Payment History, all completed operations are displayed. The most recent operation, which corresponds to this payment, still appears with a pending status and in ARSE. This operation will take between 3 and 5 minutes to be completed, at which point the merchant will receive the payment.